To show or hide the date, click on the date icon. To show or hide the image, click on the image icon. To edit the image, click on it. Change the title in the marked area. To upload an image, click on the upload icon. Select an image and click open. Change the image width in the marked area. To change the alignment, choose from the options. To stretch the image, click on the auto width icon. To add effects on your image, click on the image effects. Choose from the effects that are offered, or make your own effect by editing in the submenu. Set the transparency, set the contrast, set the saturation, set blur. You can rotate and flip your image by clicking on the icons. Click on Fade Effect to set the fading on your image. Choose from the options and set the fade weight in the marked area. Once you're done, click Done and back, and click Done again to exit edit mode.